There are 3 dangerous alarm bells in front of our face. Today we are in green. We have Bitcoin breakout, Ethereum breakout. Exactly what we talked about in yesterday's video happened right after the video. First of all, Bitcoin breakout confirmed. We liquidated over $5 billion of short positions right here. And we hit our exact target, which was $71,000. As always, the market makers made an insane amount of money when we liquidated all of these short positions right here on the way up. Next, right after our video on the same evening, Ethereum pumped up over 20% right here. And also right now, we are still sitting at 23% in the positive. First of all, yesterday night, the 2 famous Bloomberg analysts, number 1, Eric BITUNIX and also James Seyfarth, increased the Ethereum ETF approval percentage from 25% all the way up to 75% likelihood of getting approved in the next 2 days. Also on Polymarket, yesterday the chance was at 11%. Right now we are sitting at a 72% approval rate chance of the Ethereum ETF. This means that right now the majority of people actually expect for the first Ethereum spot ETF to get approved in 48 hours. This will be huge for Ethereum and massive tailwind buying pressure constantly. Number 1, the Ethereum market cap is still considerably smaller than Bitcoin. Number 2, Ethereum actually is deflationary, while Bitcoin is slightly inflationary and, as you know, capped at 21 million. So Ethereum is even more scarce than Bitcoin. For that reason, if we get the same volume that we get on the Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum will pump up way more. It gets even better. If this Ethereum ETF will get approved in the next 2 days, there are many more other Ethereum ETFs which are in the pipeline which can be approved. So those are the floodgates for massive capital to constantly flood into Ethereum and pump up the price into the sky. Right now, it's getting really interesting. The most important pattern for Bitcoin right now is, as you might know, the bull flag pattern. The target of this bull flag pattern is here from the impulsive move bottom all the way up to the top trend line. And we get a target here of around $92,000 for this bull flag pattern. For everyone who is new on this channel, the safest entry for a long trade on a bull flag pattern is always the bottom trend line right here, because this is where you get the highest and the best risk reward. Little downside and lots of upside. The second best entry for this pattern is right after the breakout, a retest on the opposite side on the trend line right here. And actually the worst and highest risk entry is by far the breakout itself. Because number 1, we are right now sitting at 2 key resistance zones right here and also right here. So we could potentially get a rejection right here or even right here and then come back down to the trend line, or even worst case, back into the bull flag, which is a bit lower chance, but still it's on the table. These 2 resistance zones are alarm bell number 1, alarm bell number 2. In the short term, again, we have more liquidity on the downside. So for market makers, it would make sense to liquidate all those recently opened long positions right here. And again, that would be the scenario of getting here a retest, liquidating all those long positions, and then finally pumping up right here. Alarm bell number 3. The funding rates have increased dramatically. This means the greed of the people in the market also increased, and right now the vast majority of traders are all long right now. Again, this will be interesting for market maker to quickly liquidate some people and then finally go on the next leg higher. If you want to secure yourself an unfair trading advantage, you can use my link in the description to make an account on BITGET, and you can save 30% on the trading fees. And this is right now also the world's highest discount that you can get, and you will feel this also instantly, because in every single trade that you take, you make more money without any extra effort. Right now, this is the best and the most generous offer in the whole world, which I negotiated with BITGET for you so that you can enjoy the absolute best trading conditions anywhere in the world, so that you can make the most money when you take trades on the market. If you enjoy these quick updates, please give this video also a like, leave a comment. Thank you for your instant support. I will see you tomorrow for the next update. Peace.